The federal government and the state of Colorado recognize the positive impact of conservation easements. To help encourage the voluntary creation and donation of the easement, both governmental entities have created financial incentives for the landowner. Please understand these are general statements. We're not giving tax advice, and an experienced tax advisor and attorney will be required to make sure you jump through all the appropriate hoops correctly. As your realtor, we are just one member of that team. Federal income tax deduction. The benefit here is a charitable gift deduction for the full value of the conservation easement. Depending on the appraised value of the easement, you can write off up to 30% of your adjusted gross income with the ability to carry forward the unused balance for 5 more years. Colorado State Income Tax Credit. This is a dollar-for-dollar tax credit against Colorado income taxes. Tax credit is equal to the fair market value of the easement for the first $100K plus 50% of the remaining value of the easement, up to a maximum credit of $375,000. Unused credits can be carried forward, but more importantly for some, they can be sold for about 85 cents on the dollar. Federal estate tax deduction and exclusion. Since the grantor of the easement has now limited the future use and development of the property, the value will go down initially. For estate valuation purposes, the lowered value could be very, very helpful. In addition, the 1997 Federal Taxpayer Relief Act added another benefit, an exclusion from estate tax of up to 40% of the value of the land subject to a conservation easement, up to $500,000. This exclusion can be taken in addition to the above described deduction and can be taken by each succeeding generation of heirs of the original easement donor as long as the land remains in the family. State property tax benefit. In Colorado, property classified by the county assessor as agricultural land is taxed at a much lower rate than vacant land. In order to qualify for ag status, legitimate income must be derived from agricultural endeavors. If the property simultaneously has an ag status and a conservation easement, the owner is allowed to cease ag operations for a period of time and not lose the tax-advantaged ag status. Clearly, you can see some benefits in this procedure. You need just the right piece of land, and you need to be willing to give up development rights. While not for everyone, this tool could be a huge benefit for some people.